The header and footer are now finished. Next, let's tackle the main area. The main area is wrapped in a div with a visible border. But the challenge is, the corner of the square is curved. So how do we do this? Well, HTML5 has solved this problem for us. We use border radius. But as usual, we need to prepare a border radius for all kinds of browsers. Let's start with the login page. It may look simpler, but compared with the registration page, the login page has an extra challenge for us. The first thing we do is create a div and assign a class to it, login. We call this div the login div. It marks the territory of the whole login area. Next, let's do an analysis of the login area and figure out how to design our codes. The whole login area can be divided into 8 levels. Between the login area's border and its contents, there's a consistent gap. So the first question, how do we create that consistent gap? Padding. We set a padding to the login div. The first level is a headline. We can wrap it using the h1 tag. For the second level, we use the p tag. The third level is an input box. And the fourth level is a little challenging. It contains 2 parts, and the second part needs to be aligned to the right side. First, we create a div. Then we put wrap password in span tags. Next, we write the a tag. We select the a tag in CSS and float it to the right. The fifth level is an input box. No challenge there. The sixth level is a submit button, and we can use an image to serve as the button. All we need to do is set type to image and put src into the input tag to tell the system where the image is. The seventh level is still a hyperlink, but this hyperlink has got a decorative line behind it. The line may look simplistic, but actually, this line is the reason why I chose a login page over the registration page. For now, we'll leave a div as a placeholder for this level. We'll learn how to deal with this line in the next lesson. The last level is still a button. There's no challenge there either. At the end, we just need to put the header, main area, and footer together. A complete web page has now been finished. In the next lesson, we'll focus on how to put a decorative line behind the clickable text.